I think I always was interested in being a nurse, but probably wasn't really guided that way until I was in high school when I had a chance to talk with a guidance counselor. And being a high schooler in the 70s and a woman that was interested in sciences mostly meant that you were directed toward nursing. So got into nursing and have always loved it. I think I was fortunate. I found myself in the right career almost by accident then.
Trauma is the leading cause of death for people under the age of 44 in the U.S. Fortunately, Karen Geissler, a registered nurse in Luther Middleford's Neuroscience Center, spends much of her time in the community, teaching people how to protect themselves and their loved ones from major injury or death.
One of the things that always seemed senseless to me was the way so many people were injured when there were such easy ways to prevent those injuries from happening.
She's offered fourth graders safety camp to teach them how to be safe.
So we left the school setting, we took it to a 2-day outside camp and tried to make it a fun, interactive activity, and hopefully gave kids the opportunity to understand that there were things that they could do, things that they could control that amounted to choices that would help them stay safe or not be injured.
She presented Safety Day for Tykes, an event that taught safe practices to more than 100 children ages 4 to 6 and their parents.
It doesn't always work the best to try to change someone's behavior after they've already kind of established a pattern of not wearing a seatbelt or thinking that it's okay to drink and drive or whatever it is. So what we decided to do was to kind of move our injury prevention activities down into some of the lower grade levels.
She sold bicycle helmets at reduced cost and showed parents and children how to properly wear them. She implemented Safety Suitcase, a safety curriculum for area daycares. She spoke to thousands of teens in driver's education classes about the important choices they face as drivers.
We've been providing information in driver's eds or high schools, sometimes middle schools, to kids about what the risks are, what strategies that they can use to modify their risks, but also try to identify what the outcomes of bad choices are, because sometimes teens especially don't think through that very well.
As part of her job at Luther Middleford, Karen works as a member of the on-call trauma team, where she has seen tragedies that happen when people don't wear seatbelts or drink and drive. Through hard work, passion, and determination, Karen is preventing injuries before they happen.
It's an honor, obviously, to get an award like this. I always tell people that I'm surrounded by people that do such good work that they make me look good. I have to say I'm very humbled by it, because all of the activities I do are the result of a lot of people doing really good work with me.